How to see Gmail password. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see Gmail password. Now it's common to forget your password, but if you are still logged into your account on your device, even if you forget your password, here's how you can view it. Simply open up Gmail and make sure you're on the account here, and here you can see you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is first head into the account that you want to see password of. Now you can see I have 3 different accounts. If you have multiple accounts, simply tap on one that you want to view the password of. Now here you can see I'm on BPN Bestnet 1. Simply tap on the profile icon at the top right again, and then tap on manage your Google account option. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this page here. Now what you want to do is scroll here on the options and then tap on security and head into security options. Once in security, scroll all the way down below until you find the option manage passwords here. Now here if you scroll down below, you can see here is the option your saved passwords. Now you will either find the option manage passwords or you'll find the option your saved passwords. Simply tap on your saved passwords here, and here you can see various apps down below along with the password manager here. Now what you want to do on password manager here is if you scroll down, you'll find all the apps that your password has been saved of, and there you can see Google as well. Simply tap on Google here and then type in your biometrics and you can see your password here. Now all you have to do is tap on the icon there, and then you'll be able to view your password. You can either edit it or you can delete it. So this way you can see Gmail password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.